Hi guys, so today I'm doing a video of If. I actually got this today. This came out on August 12th, 2024. I've seen in cinemas. This is a great film. Watch it on your So it's Kelly Fleming, Ryan Reynolds, John Kirsty, Phoebe Waller-Bridge, Lewis Gossett Jr. and Steve Carell. 4-star, full of imagination. It's you. Here's the side, and here's the back. An absolute delight. Sunday night and Paramount Pictures. The description. It's on for 100 minutes. It's you, very mild bad language, scary scenes, bereavement theme, rude humour, universal soul for all. Let's open this up. Let's open it up. And there. Here's the disc. CU UK and PG Ireland. It doesn't have the G Ireland on it, and there's 0 from German. Dolby Audio, 2-part, and Paramount Pictures DVD video. And here's the If logo there. And here's the code. Guys, watch my video and see you in my next video, and goodbye. Peace out.